Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So now I have to discuss mental math problems. Okay, so you should get ready with your copies, everyone. And RAG work also, that one also you should do in right hand side because space is there, so that's why you should do it. And since it is mental math means you should solve it mentally. Clear? Okay, so now you should get ready at first, everyone. And another thing that few students are submitting their work, I know that. So for them I am telling that please do the work, and if any doubt you should inform to the teachers. Okay, you can take help also. Whatever we are discussing, you can take help. Clear? If any problem, you can take help. Okay, and you should try also, that is also important thing, and you should practice also. Clear? And those who are not doing, that is depend on you. If you don't want it, it's okay, no problem, that one. Always teachers will say that do the work, that is not good. Okay, so that's why if you don't want, that is depend on you. Okay, so now let's start, everyone. Today we will discuss about exercise 84. Exercise 84. Okay, so exercise 84, first question is telling, see, at first read the question, everyone. Change the pair. Change the question number 1 is telling change the pair 3.003 into like decimals. Actually here one mistake is there, change the pair. Actually only one question is here, only 3.003. After that no number is there, no. So that's why little bit change it. Here suppose 3.02, this one number, and 3.003. Now convert into the like decimals. Now we can do it, but only one question is given. The question, that is printing mistake only. Okay, don't worry, no problem, everyone. Just correct the question. Okay, so 3.02 and another one 3.003. So into like decimal. So how to do this one? At first see 3.02 and another one 3.003. So see, at first check it. After point how many digits here? 3 digits. But here after point how many digits? 2 digits. So that's why another digit also we need. Clear or not? That's why we will put here 10. Clear? That means now it is getting what? 3.020 means after point we are getting 3 digits, and here also after point 3 digits. So that is what? So these are the like decimals. Understood or not? Clear? So here answer will be what? Answer will be 3.020. Okay, comma here 3.003. These are the like decimals. Understood? Clear? Okay, so next question what? Next question is telling, read the question, everyone. Read the question. Question number 2 is telling that convert 20.42 into fraction. Decimal given, we convert into fraction. So how to do this one? Very easy problems, and this type of problem we did before also. We did or not? We did. So how to do this one? How to do? Okay, see, I am writing here. So question is telling 30 point, question number 2, no, 20 point, sorry, here this one what? 20.42. this is the question, 20.42. so decimal given, we convert into fraction. Very easy or not? Just only we will remove the point. So remove the point. Okay, so after removing, just see, we will write here 1, and see after point how many digits? 2 digits. So 20 will come. That is the thing. Understood? So that means 2042 by 100. That is the decimal, that is a form, fraction form. After that we can cancel it also, because this is divisible by 2 in numerator. This one also denominator also divisible by 2, numerator also divisible by 2, as well as denominator also divisible by 2. But no need to cancel it. Only according to the question we should write the only fraction form, no? Just write it this one, 2042 by 100. 2042 by 100. So I am writing here 2042 by 100. Clear? Otherwise I am writing here, nicely writing 2042 by 100. Understood? Clear? Okay. After that what? Question number 3 is telling what? Write decimal number part of 107.25. Question number 3 is telling what? Question number 3 is telling write decimal number part of 107.25. Easy question, we can do it. How to do this one? Just see. You can try also, no problem. Easy question, 107.25. So I told you that before point, that part, what part? Whole number part. This is what? Whole number part. Clear or not? Whole number part. And after point, that part what? Decimal number part. Decimal number part. Clear or not? Decimal number part. Understood or not? So before point, that part is called whole number part, and after point, that part is called what? Decimal number part. Understood? Clear? So we'll write here, write decimal number part. Decimal number part means what? Decimal number part means here 0.25. Clear? 0.25, and 10 will put it before point, means 0.25. that is the decimal number part. Suppose whole number part, so whole number part what? Whole number part already written here, 107. That is the whole number part, 107. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. Next question, what? Question number 4. Question number 4 is telling what? A is equal to 20 kilometer, comma H are written, no, that one will be what? Per. One line will be there, per means kilometer per hour. Okay, and T 5 hours. We find out what? D. S given. S means what, sir? S means speed. S equal to what? Speed. T means time. I told you before, and this type of problem we did also. And D equal to distance. Understood? So we find out here only distance, not speed. Speed and time given. We find out what? Distance. So we know that the formula speed equal to distance by time. Clear or not? Clear? Speed equal to distance by time. This is the formula, important formula. Now we can write in denominator 1, because nothing is here, so that's why we will write what? 1 in denominator. Clear? So S by 1 equal to D by T. Clear or not? Now we will do what? We find out what? D. So D, just do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means this D and this 1 will be multiplied. Numerator and denominator will be multiplied. D into 1, cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means kona kuni gun hobe. D into 1 means D. Clear? And this S and T will be multiplied. Clear or not? This one also cross like that. So this one will be what? S into T. Clear? Clear or not? So that's why our formula is D equal to distance equal to speed into time. This is the formula, very very important formula. Speed equal to distance by time, or distance equal to speed into time. Understood? Now put the values. Speed how much? 20 km per hour. 20. Unit I will write later, no problem that one. And time what? 5 hours. Okay? Clear? And there, see, in the question hour given, no? Kilometer per hour, this hour and these hours will be cancelled. Okay? So here unit will be only kilometer. Understood? So that's why 20 into 5 means 100 kilometer. This is the answer. This is the distance. Clear or not? So distance equal to speed into time. Speed 20 km per hour. So 20 into time 5 hours. So we'll multiply it. So after that we will get what? 100 kilometer. That is the answer. So here distance what? 100 kilometer. Clear everyone? Even in doubt you inform me, I will explain again. Okay? But you should do it. You should practice nicely. If any problem you should inform. Clear? Okay. Question number 5C. Question number 5 is telling 2.17 plus 10.52 plus 0.572. This one you can do it. Yes, this is easy, very easy question. You can do it. Only addition is given. That one homework you will do, means you will try. Okay? Clear? not only this one homework, other things also, other all problems will be homework, because you should practice, no? So that's why all problems are homework, but this is easy, so that's why I am not doing, you will do. Clear? Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6 is telling 38 tenths. Question number 6 is telling 38 tenths equal to dash ones plus 8 tenths. This is also, this type of problem also we did. We did or not? Yes, we did. 38 tenths means tenths, not tens. Tenths. Tenths means I told you denominator, in denominator 10 will come, and only tenths means that 10 will come in numerator. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. So 38 tenths given here, no? 38 tenths, and here 8 tenths. 8 tenths, we find out this value now. So do subtraction. 38 minus 8. 38 minus 8 means what? 30 tenths. 30 tenths. This one clear or not? 30 tenths. Why? Because 38 minus 8 tenths, we are getting 30 tenths. Clear? And 30 tenths means what? 30 by 10. Clear or not? Tenths, THS. For THS we are writing 10 in denominator. Understood? Now cancel it. 10 3 is 30. So here 3 will come. So 3 ones. Easy or hard? Very easy question. Okay? Very easy question. Next question what? I have understood now? Next question. Read the question, everyone. Everyone read the question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is telling write decimal for 6 tenths. Write decimal. Okay, আমরা decimal লিখবো. Write decimal for 6 tenths, 2 ones and 8 hundredths. Very easy question. Very easy question. 6 tenths means, I told you, tenths means what? Tenths means we'll write, means we are multiplying by 10, and tenths means THS means that one will be in denominator, because that one we are dividing. Clear or not? Okay, that one should be cleared. Okay, that concept should be cleared. Next, 2 ones. 2 ones. Okay, so 2 ones means what? 2 only. 2 ones means 2 only. Understood? Next, 8 hundredths. 8 hundredths. 8 hundredths means 8 by 100. Clear or not? Because THS is there. THS is there. So that's why 100 will come in denominator. This one is clear? Clear? So now we will do the addition. Now we will do the addition. So 60 plus 2, 62. Clear this one? Clear? And 8 by 100 means what? 8 by 100 means very easy. 8 by 100 means what, sir? 8 divided by 100. 8 divided by 100 means we can get answer easily or not? Easily we can get it. How, sir? Because power of 10 is given. Power of 10 means here 20 given, and 20 means we can find out the answer easily. We can find out the division easily. Clear or not? So 2 digits we need, but here 1 digit given, so we need here 2 digits. 2 digits mean, because we are doing division, that's why we will go to the left hand side, not right hand side. For multiplication we will go to the right hand side. For division we are going to left hand side. So we need 2 digits. So that's why 0 and 8, that is 2 digits. So after that point will come. Clear or not? That means 0.08 will come. Clear? 0.08 will come. So 0.08. So that is the answer. Clear? 8 by 100 means what? 8 by 100 means 0.08. 5.08, because power of 10 is given in denominator, and 2 zeros. For 2 zeros we need 2 digits. Clear? So we put 1 0. So after that point will go. That means 0.08. So here answer will be what? 62.08. Very important. So here answer will be what? 62 point. Just a minute. Just a minute, everyone. So here answer will be what? 62.08. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. Next question, see question number 8. Very easy question also is here. Write smaller decimal. সব থেকে ছোট decimal কোনটা? Very easy. You can do it also. 5.172 and 2.319. Before point here 5. Check it once. Before point here 5, but before point here 2. So which one smaller? This one smaller. 2.319. So here answer will be what? 2.319. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Next what? Next question, 20% of 5 kilometer. Very very important question. Question number 9. 20% of 5 kilometer. What to do, sir? What to do? We can do it also. So 20% means what? 20% means 20 by 100. Clear everyone? Next, ohm means what? Ohm means multiplication. Ohm means here multiplication. 5 kilometer. Okay, 5 kilometer. So I am writing here 5 kilometer. This one clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. So this kilometer also we can convert into meter also. That also we can do it, no problem. Those who are doing that, converting kilometer to meter, that one also okay. That one also correct, no problem that one. Okay, but I am writing here kilometer only because that in the question not mentioned, no, only kilometer given. So we will write in, you will find out the answer in kilometer. Clear? Now see. So 25 is 100. This 25 is 100. Clear? And here 5, this 5 and this 5 will be cancelled. That means nothing is there. Nothing is there means what? 1 only. Nothing is there means only 1. So 1 kilometer will be the answer. Clear or not? Because see, 20% means 20 by 100. Or means multiplication. Next 5 kilometer. After that 25 is 100. 5 and 5 will be cancelled. So after that we are getting what? 1. So 1 km only, kilometer only. Okay. Otherwise we can write in on meter also. 1 kilometer means what? 1000 meter. That one also we can write it. If we convert that meter, 1000 meter will come. That is the answer. Otherwise kilometer means 1 kilometer will be answer. That one we can do it. Okay. Clear? Understood everyone? Okay. Next question what? Next question, question number 10. Question number 10, very easy question. Only multiplication is given. 24.231 multiplied by 3. Easy. You can try it. You can try it. 24.231 multiplied by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6 point. 3 4 is 12, 2 1 carry. 3 4 is 12, 2 1 carry. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7. 72.693. Easy. 72.693. This is the question. Means here answer. Question easy. Answer also very easy. Clear I hope everyone. Okay. Even doubt whatever we are discussing here, you should inform me. Again I will help you. Okay. Clear? But you should do it properly. Understood? Okay. So take your homework everyone. What is your homework? Homework exercise 84 as well as 83. 84 already explained, already finished, and 83 this one also you will try. Even in doubt you will inform me. I will explain again. Okay. So these two chapters, this is your homework. Okay. 84 as well as 83. Okay. You should do it properly and after that submit it. Clear everyone? Okay.